The Naira has just been delisted from the KuCoin crypto app, meaning that you can neither deposit Naira fiat currency nor trade Naira via P2P anymore on the KuCoin crypto app. The Naira has also been delisted on OKX, and of course it is no longer news that the Naira was deleted from Binance crypto app some months ago. And yes, of course, it is just a matter of time before the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission catch up with other crypto apps and also delist the Naira from there. And you may want to ask, what is happening? What could be the issue? Now I will tell you. The Nigerian government, alongside the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission (SCE), thinks one of the major reasons or one of the major factors leading to the devaluation of the Naira against the US dollar is the illegal P2P trading that is being carried out by millions of Nigerians within and outside the country. I call the P2P trading illegal in Nigeria because the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission claims that Binance, OKX, KuCoin and other crypto apps are not fully registered and do not have adequate permission to carry out operations within the Nigerian financial market. Few years ago, the authorities of the Central Bank of Nigeria said AbokiFX was the major website that is influencing the fluctuations of the Naira against the dollar and hunted it down for some time before they left it and now thinks Naira P2P trading is the major threat. All of these pose one single question. If you receive cryptocurrency or if you work online and get paid in cryptocurrency, how do you convert your crypto to Naira without getting into trouble? Because even OPay and PalmPay are now closing accounts. If you log into your OPay and PalmPay account, you're going to see a strict warning about cryptocurrency and that your account might be closed if they find out that you are engaging in any cryptocurrency related activities. I found 3 major ways or solutions to go around this, and I recommend you watch till the end so you do not miss any of them. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. I highly recommend that you like and share my videos and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are gaining any value. Number 1 solution, use Geegpay. Now let me show you. So this is my Geegpay account, and if you scroll right up, you will see some transactions I've been making. You can see this 250 USD and then I converted to Naira. Okay, if you scroll, let us go to all. Let us click on see all right here. And you can see some of the transactions I've been making minus 240. You can see for 247 US dollars. You can see 195 US dollars. Okay, so basically you can receive and you do what you convert to Naira. Okay, now since this is functional for Nigerians, what are you going to do? Sign up here, verify your account and get your US dollar account. To get your US dollar account, after verifying your account, this is it. Click on this US dollar flag. Okay, and you can see this is my USD bank account. Okay, yeah, given to me by Geegpay. So what do we do now? Let's head over to Binance. Okay, we're talking about P2P here. Now, let's say you're on P2P. Let me go to P2P. And from top here, you click on it and you search NGN. You will see the Naira currency is not here anymore. So in that case, stick to USD, click this payment. You can see this payment and then you search bank transfer. Select bank transfer, click confirm, and the amount, let's say you are selling or you are dealing with about $500 and above. And then of course, let's say you are selling USDT, whatever crypto you are doing, select it there. Okay, so if you like, from here you can select to deal with verified merchants or whatever, verified or unverified, anyone you like, and then you stay on sell. Let's assume you want to sell. Okay, now what do? You can see, let's say we select this first guy, and then he will tell us what, enter the amount of the crypto, select payment method. Click on this select payment method. You will see all the bank accounts you've added. Scroll down to the lowest part and then click on what, add bank transfer. And then it's going to ask you bank card number, bank name, opening branch. This is optional. In this case, what do? Head over to your Geegpay account. When you go to your Geegpay account, click on cards down here and then create a virtual card. Okay, create a virtual card, and with this virtual card, that is what you are going to use. Fill it in right here. Okay, yes, after filling it in right here, you are going to see the card details. Okay, fill it in right there, and that is what you are going to use and receive this money. Okay, and then once you sell, it's going to land inside your Geekpay card, and then you can convert or withdraw from your virtual card here. Another thing you can do is when you get to, let us use Bybit, when you get to Bybit and you go to P2P, okay, Bybit is a little bit different, but they are almost same thing. So on Bybit, you first of all stay on sell, this is sell, and then of course it is still right now on Bybit you can still trade the NGN. Okay, so it's still available, but assuming that we can't find NGN, anything can happen at any moment. Select this payment method, and then you select bank transfer. Okay, the first one, and click on confirm. Okay, and then amount, let's say we are dealing with $500 and above, or even if you do $100, anyone, let's just start with the barest minimum. Okay, so you're going to see those that are selling. So what are you going to do in this case? Select this guy, okay, the first one, and then in the payment methods, click on it. On that bank transfer, click on add payment method. This is it. And then it's going to ask you your name. You put in your full name here, your bank account number. The branch is not optional. You can see the asterisk on this three. You can see it. So that's the one that is required. The red asterisk. So put in your name, put the bank account number, put the bank name. Of course, put the bank name. Yes, if you like, and put the branch. If you like, don't. Okay, so what do? It is still with this your bank account details. Okay, that is what you're going to use. This bank account is, you can see mine is Wells Fargo Bank. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Okay, you can see I've added this bank account. Okay, so if I click on this bank transfer now, you will see this is the new bank account that I added. You can see it, and it's Wells Fargo Bank, and so that's what I'm going to select, and then I click on confirm. Okay, and then I can sell directly to this bank. Once I receive my money in this bank, in my Geekpay account, I can easily swap, convert to now. When I click on convert here, you can see the rate. The rate is what, 1,440 naira to $1, which is what, still the black market rate. It is still the black market rate. So I convert and then send out my funds to my Nigerian bank account. Okay, let me just show you if I'm in Naira now. Sorry, I don't have any money in here right now, but if I click on send, I've done this multiple times. You can see my Nigerian bank accounts here. And that's one way, one major way for you to sell your funds, convert your funds from cryptocurrency to Naira without you having to involve in Naira P2P. Then one important thing about this Geekpay, I want you to realize something very, very important that I want to say about this Geekpay. Before you are giving this USD bank accounts in your Geekpay or any other bank account at all, you have to provide an evidence of employment, an employment letter, and an ID card of a registered company. Okay, yes. So now a lot of people might be stuck in that aspect. If you're a business owner and you have CAC registered, or you have an employer that can give you your an employment letter with an ID card, then you are good to go. But if you don't have that and you need someone to do it for you, you can send me a DM. Okay, you can send me a DM on Instagram or on TikTok, and then I can help you out with that. And please note that it's going to come at a cost. It's going to come at a fee. Number two solution, sign up and use Payoneer. So on Payoneer, you can see it's been a long time I used Payoneer, but I know that this is exactly almost same thing as the Geekpay. Okay, Payoneer also will give you bank accounts. If I click on GBP like this way now, if I click on British pounds, you will see you can see, and I click on receiving accounts, you can see it. This is my bank account details. This is my bank account details, my Payoneer bank, my British pounds account details. You can see bank name is Barclays, transfer type, local bank. So this is same thing applies to to Euro and to USD. My USD balance is not showing because my card has expired. So once you have it, the same thing, use your USD bank account details, sell your cryptocurrency, USD, just exactly the same thing I just did with the Geekpay. Okay, fill in these account details in your P2P, receive your funds here, and then send it to your Nigerian bank account. Okay, yes. So now one thing about Payoneer is for Payoneer, their charges is a little bit high, on the high side. So you may have to consider using this when you don't have any other option. Their charges is a little bit on the high side. Okay, and I think you can only transfer a minimum of $50 from your bank account to from your Payoneer account to your local bank account. So make sure you put that into consideration before you think of using Payoneer. Number 3 solution, use Skrill. If you don't know Skrill, they've been around for a very long time, and you can see I've been doing some activities right here. Okay, on Skrill you will get your USD account. This is a real, the currency for Oman. Okay, real, and this is euro, and you also have Nigerian naira. Okay, so what you're going to do for Skrill is a little bit. If for this one you don't really have to stress yourself doing P2P, because when you receive and you want to convert from USD to Naira, the rate is bad. The rate is very bad. So I don't recommend using this one for P2P at all, okay, except if you see somebody that wants to buy Skrill directly and you will start bargaining the rate. What I recommend for Skrill is that Skrill is accepted worldwide, okay? Skrill is accepted worldwide. So you can just tell anyone whom wants to pay you via Skrill, okay? If the person downloads Skrill and the person sends Skrill to Skrill, you can accept your money directly inside Skrill here. And when you've done that, what you're just going to do is what? Click on transfer. Let's say you've received Skrill USD, and then you click on what? Send to self, send to yourself. Yes. And then you can see these are some of my bank accounts. You can see GTB, this is my GTB bank accounts, and this is US dollars. You can send dollars directly to your GTB bank account. You can see this is my bank account again, and you can add another bank account here. In this case, you can decide to add the USD bank account from your Geegpay, okay? Or you can use your British pounds account, anyone, okay? Yes. So when you now send from this Skrill to your Geegpay, you can now convert your money to Naira on Geegpay and send to your Nigerian Naira account, okay? Now, the downside of all these three methods that I mentioned is that there might be delay in receiving payments, because USD bank transfer, USD interbank transfers usually takes between 1 to 3 business days or even more before the receiver will get it. So for now, the few apps that are working for P2P, which I don't want to mention here, yes, the few apps that are working, you keep using that until when you do not have any other option again, then you can switch to trading via USD, selling your crypto to USD first of all, and then when you receive it, when you receive it in any of these three apps that I mentioned, you can now send to your Naira bank account from there. Other than that, I think we may have to resort to trading with individual crypto vendors, which I think is way too risky, because the trade is not protected by any third party. The trade is not regulated. It all depends on if the individual is trustworthy, and of course, anything can happen at any time. And to avoid just getting into trouble, instead of just trading directly with individuals, you can use these three methods, okay? Except if you are willing to take the risk or if you trust the person that you are dealing with. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. If you gained any value in this one, kindly give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you are yet to do that, and I'll see you in my next video.